If you ever bought a game as a Steam gift and now need to get your money back, there is one very important thing to know right away. Refunding a gifted game is not just one action, it is a two-step process. The person who received the gift has to release it first, and then the original purchaser has to submit the refund request. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it correctly, avoid mistakes, and understand the rules that apply in 2026. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming guides and Steam tips. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the recipient step. If the gifted game is already sitting in your Steam library, you cannot just let the purchaser refund it instantly. The recipient has to go to Steam support and log in with the account that currently owns the gift. Once you are signed in, click on Games, Software, etc. This section is where Steam lists the games linked to your account. From there, find the gifted game you want to refund. If you have a lot of games, you may need to search a little carefully, but once you locate it, click on it to open the support options. Next, Steam will ask you to choose a reason for the request. You can select something like, "It's not what I expected," or choose the option that best matches your situation. After that, click, "I'd like to request a refund." This is the important part. Make sure you check the box that says, "Allow the original purchaser of this gift to request a refund." That checkbox is what gives the buyer permission to take the next step and actually get the money back. Once you submit the request, the gifted game will be removed from your library. That means the recipient no longer has access to it, and now the purchaser can finish the refund process. Now let's move to the purchaser's step. After the recipient has granted permission, the original buyer needs to go back to Steam support and log in to the account that made the purchase. On the support page, click Purchases. This section shows your purchase history, including gift purchases. Look for the gifted game in your history. You should be able to recognize it by the gift icon. Once you find it, click "I would like a refund." Steam will then guide you through the refund submission. Follow the prompts carefully, confirm the details, and submit the request. If everything meets Steam's refund rules, the funds will be returned to your original payment method or to your Steam wallet, depending on how you paid. Now here are the key rules you need to know in 2026, because these are what determine whether your refund will go through. First is the 14 and 2 rule. The refund must be requested within 14 days of purchase, not 14 days from the time the gift was redeemed. Also, the recipient must have played the game for less than 2 hours. If either of those conditions is missed, the refund may be denied. So if you are considering a refund, it is always best to act quickly. Another important case is unredeemed gifts. If the recipient never accepted the gift at all, the process is much simpler. In that situation, the purchaser can simply go to Purchases on Steam support and request the refund immediately. The recipient does not need to do anything because the game was never added to their library. There is also one more helpful rule to know. If a gift is not accepted within 30 days, Steam automatically refunds it to the purchaser. That means if the recipient never claims the gift, the system will eventually return the money without extra steps. So to recap, if the gift has already been redeemed, the recipient must first release it, then the purchaser submits the refund. If the gift has not been redeemed, the purchaser can refund it directly. And if it sits unaccepted for 30 days, Steam will automatically handle it. That's the full process for refunding a gifted game on Steam in 2026. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.